Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna be doing assembly drawing for engineering, traffic and design, NCV. Okay, we were given 7 items. We have item number 1, item number 2, 3, wait a minute, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we're gonna start by drawing item number 1. Okay, on item number 1 we were given 3 views. Okay, as you can see, the symbol is a first angle orthographic projection. So here we have a front for item number 1, we have a top, then we have a side view. Okay, since the question, or we were required to draw a full sectional front view of the following assembly, so we don't stress ourselves about the top view and the side view, but our focus will be on the front view. Okay, also for item number 2 we have the front view